This car is kind of unique in that it's the only visible carbon fiber roadster in existence. This car started off as a totaled maroon car, and it was purchased, and then a carbon fiber overlay was placed on most of the body panels. If you notice, the front bumper here is actually painted, and the reason for that is this many compound curves makes it very difficult to do a carbon fiber overlay. So you'll find the same thing is true in the rear bumper on this car. But as you can see, everything else is pretty much carbon fiber. There are some panels missing on this car, which are still at a body shop. And the reason this car is here is because it was being re-coated. The clear coat, the ultraviolet eventually makes it cloudy or yellows, the clear coat. So the owner of this car used to be the national service manager for Tesla. He ended up taking this to a body shop to have the clear coat redone. They did a pretty good job with the clear coat, but unfortunately they didn't charge it often enough and the car got bricked. By the time it arrived here, 3 months had gone by, and this battery pack is not one of the original legacy battery packs, or the 2.0 battery packs as they call it. This was an upgraded battery pack that Tesla made for a brief period of time. The cells are a different architecture and chemistry, and we found that the ability to recover this pack wasn't quite the same as the old legacy packs. This car, or this battery pack, of the 11 sheets that are in here, 10 of them are bad. So it's not cost effective to change 10 sheets if you can even find them, because the only sheets available right now are from collision damaged cars, and there aren't that many 3.0 cars that are getting collision damaged or totaled. So this car is sitting here waiting for a replacement battery pack to appear, and whether that's from an auction or Tesla coming up with their 3.0 program again, one of those two will put this car back on the road.